Ever fantasized about making money by just watching ads? Well, get ready for some exciting news. Picture this. You watch one ad and earn a cool $94. Now, if you watch 10 ads, that's a sweet $947 in your pocket. Sounds fun, right? Well, today I've got a secret to share with you. You could start earning cash every time an ad pops up on your screen while you're relaxing and watching videos. And guess what? You can do this from anywhere, even while you're lounging on your couch at home in your comfiest pajamas. Let's jump into 3 simple steps that could have you smiling all the way to the bank for every ad you watch. Let me break it down for you. There's this awesome platform that actually pays you real cash for watching ads. It's like a big thank you in dollars for your time. And here's a neat trick to boost your earnings. Get your friends to join in on the ad-watching fun. You'll be surprised how quickly the cash can pile up with your buddies on board. Don't worry if you're confused about how it all works. I'll explain it to you in simple terms. So get comfy, grab some popcorn, and let's dive into how you can start making $94 for every ad you watch. Let's start by visiting swagbucks.com. It's an amazing website that has given out over $500 million to its users. Yes, you heard that right. And here's the best part. When you sign up, you'll get a cool $10 bonus for free. So, what's the deal with Swagbucks? It's your way to earn some extra cash whenever you want. With instant cashback and rave reviews from over 35,000 users on Trustpilot, it's a no-brainer. To get started, sign up for free, grab that $10 bonus, and you're ready to roll. Just log in with your email or Gmail, and there you are, on the easy-to-use dashboard. Now, let's keep things simple and focused. While there are many ways to make money on this site, I want to make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck. And that means focusing on watching and clicking on ads. Here's the plan. Head to the Discover section and click on Click and Earn. This will take you to a new page where you can earn up to $30 just by clicking and watching ads. But remember, make sure your computer isn't blocking ads because you need to let them play for 15 seconds. After that, you're free to close them. So go ahead and click through each ad on this page. Once you've watched them all, you'll earn that sweet $30 in your Swagbucks account. Let's move on to the next step. AdSend Media. When you visit their site, get ready for something exciting. Instead of watching your favorite YouTube videos on YouTube itself, you can watch them on AdSend Media and actually get paid for it. On their page, you'll see different genres like music, celebrity drama, adventure, gaming, and more. Simply choose your favorite genre and start clicking on the channels you love. Each time you click on these channels, an ad will pop up. Watch the ad, and you'll earn a bunch of Swagbucks that will be added straight to your account. Pretty cool, right? I know you're probably eager to learn how to convert those Swagbucks into real cash. Well, don't worry, because I'm about to spill the beans. But before I do, let me share something even more exciting with you. Once you've earned your Swagbucks by diligently clicking on those ads and accumulating your rewards, there's an even more profitable path you can explore, inviting others to join in on the ad-watching fun. Just think about it. While you're spending a couple of hours each day making money from this activity, what about the other 22 hours? There's a whole world of potential to continue earning by encouraging others to join in on the ad-watching experience. Now, let's head over to the More section and click on Refer and Earn. This is where things get interesting because they have an incredibly enticing referral program. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process of getting 1,000 people today to click on your referral link. But here's the deal. For every referral, you'll receive a generous Swagbucks bonus of $300 along with 10% of their earnings for life. So, imagine this. If they earn a lot, you'll earn a share too. Just imagine having 1,000 people, each earning a significant amount, and you'll be making some serious cash. All you need to do is grab your referral link right here. Whenever someone clicks on this link and signs up, you'll be rewarded with that amazing bonus. So, go ahead, copy it, and let's move forward with the plan of getting those 1,000 people to click on your link and sign up. It's time to boost your earnings to new heights. All right, let's dive into 2 methods to reach those 1,000 people today. The first method might not be the most optimal, but it's a good starting point. The second method, which I'll reveal shortly, is even better. So, for the first method, we're going to visit classifiedads.com. Once you're on the website, head over to the Jobs section, specifically under the Business Opportunities category. Here, you'll find a wide range of listings for various business ventures and opportunities. It's a great place to start connecting with people who are seeking new business prospects. Here's the plan. We're going to create our very own ad and post it for free. This way, we can ensure our opportunity gets a top spot. Start by clicking on Post an Ad for Free, then go to the Job section and select Business Opportunities. Fill in all the necessary details like Remote Business Opportunity, earn $100 per hour. Next, write a message that invites people to click on the provided link. Paste your referral link right there. Lastly, provide your contact information. By doing this, anyone who comes across your ad can simply click the link, sign up, and they might even reach out to you directly. It's as simple as that. This method allows us to reach a wide audience and attract potential referrals effortlessly. While the classified ads method is effective and can gradually bring in a decent number of people, we're aiming for something bigger, reaching 1,000 people in just one day. For that, we're turning to the social media giant Facebook. Here's the plan. First, type "Make Money Online" in the Facebook search bar and click on Groups, making sure to adjust the settings to show public groups. The key is to find a specific group with a large membership. Once you've found a suitable group, like one boasting thousands of members and numerous daily posts, it's like hitting the jackpot. By leveraging the power of Facebook groups, we can tap into a massive audience and potentially attract 1,000 people in a single day. It's an efficient way to spread the word about our opportunity and gather a significant number of referrals. In these groups, you'll come across posts with loads of comments or high engagement levels. All we need are a few of these posts to help us reach our goal. Now, it's time to get involved. Create your own post with a vibrant and attention-grabbing color, then write something simple yet enticing, like, "Looking for 10 people who want to earn $100 per day. Comment info below." Hit that post button and watch the magic happen. Once the comments start rolling in from interested individuals, maybe around 100 to 500 in this group, it's time for the next step. Like each comment and reply to them saying, "Hey, I sent you a message." Then, shoot each person a direct message with the link to sign up for Swagbucks using your referral link. And that's how you'll achieve your goal of reaching 1,000 people. And that's it. A big thank you for joining me on this amazing journey. We found some really cool ways to make money with Swagbucks, like watching ads and getting referrals. Now that you've learned these awesome strategies, it's time to go out there and make the most of your Swagbucks experience. Remember, taking action is important, so don't hesitate to try new things and seize every opportunity that comes your way. Oh, and before we wrap up, here's a little bonus tip. Stay connected with the Swagbucks community. Chat with other Swagbucks users, share your stories, and learn from each other. It's a great way to boost your earnings and make some new friends too. So go ahead with confidence and let your Swagbucks journey be filled with excitement and success. Happy earning, and may you find tons of awesome rewards along the way. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to WealthWalk with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.